Well, good morning, people. I'd like to introduce you to my dad. This is Kurt, the curator,
Hi.
and he's going to tell you a little bit about this here old flatbed, and we'll just get right into it. All right, Dad?
Yeah, sure. This truck is a 1942 to 1945. Ford had new models come out in September and October. So the 1942 showed up, and then Pearl Harbor hit in December. So the 42 was only out maybe 2 or 3 months. And then our government had to gear up real fast for the war effort. So Ford continued the same truck called a 5/4 is what they called it. This has a special hitch in the back called a pintle hitch. This pintle hitch pulled trailers and cannons. It had a big ring that went in here. And this is when you backed up against a warehouse and you protected the pintle hook. So it was a pretty stout outfit. It has a spring in the back, so if this trailer or cannon jerks around, this will kind of go back and forth.
Right.
The military tire was this kind of tread. That's called military tread. And this
that's
tire,
a split ring wheel, right?
split ring, and it has 6 holes in it.
Huh.
So the Chevrolet and the Dodge and the Studebaker, all the trucks had the same 6-hole pattern. So when you sent this one overseas and you wrecked the truck, you just swap tires between all the trucks.
Right.
So this is called a 6-hole bud.
6-hole bud.
This has a crash bar around the light, and the top half of the light was black and metal. It shielded the light so that the light wouldn't shine and glare up, so the enemy could see a light at night. It shined on the ground. This has a tow hook on it, 2 of them in the front. It has no park light. This is just a blank spot, and there's no park light in there. So to make the war effort feasible, you also had to have no identity. So you took these pieces off the hood that say F-O-R-D, Ford.
Correct.
And you leave them off. So that makes that a hood for the 42 to 45. The window cranks out for air conditioning.
Huh.
So let's go over, I'll show you another truck just like it, some features of it.
All right.
We're going to continue this one. Right?
Yep.